I am out of the shower. I got the rice water out of my hair, and now I'm ready to do twist on my hair. And once I'm done with the twists, I'll be adding these wave rods to it. So how do I feel? The rice water did make my hair tougher, but after conditioning it, it feels softer and more moisturized. So it felt really dry and tough after putting the rice water in there. Again, I have the Aunt Jackie's curl custard here. It smells nice. Smells really nice. So I'll be using this small, what happened? Maybe I dropped it. It's right here. So I wanted to show you the shedding that I had for today. It's not even that much in comparison to what I've had in the past when I pull my hair with no water, no conditioner in there. So I'm very happy and hope that soon I'll have 0 to none. I'm gonna be using this comb here to tracer, how do you say that? To part it. So hopefully I won't forget and pull my hair with it because it's way too the teeth are way too close together to be used to pull my hair. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize that my hair actually got this long. Look at that. This is far from when I just started my journey. all set, all done. Yay! I can close off my custard cream, and I'm not sure how I'm going to tie my hair yet, and I'm not sure how I'm going to sleep on it with my scoliosis, but hopefully the universe will bless me that I don't wake up in pain. I'm not sure how long to keep them in for, so I'll watch and see when they dry out and maybe take one out as a test and go from there. And hopefully I'll have the time to be able to do a video once I get them out. Nighty night.